Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of CreditStrong. Find links in the description below. CreditStrong helps you build your credit, especially if you're starting from scratch or rebuilding. It's perfect if you've had trouble establishing or maintaining a good score and want a structured approach. CreditStrong uses installment loans reported to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Their core feature is the Credit Builder loan. You choose a loan amount and repayment term. The money goes into a secure savings account, and you make monthly payments. CreditStrong holds those funds while your payments are reported to the bureaus, building a positive payment history. This directly improves your credit score. They offer flexible loan amounts and terms to suit various budgets. CreditStrong is transparent and affordable, clearly outlining all fees with no hidden costs. You get regular updates on your progress and can track your credit score improvement. For established credit users, they also have higher-tier loans to further boost your score. CreditStrong is a fantastic tool to build or improve your credit through a reliable and transparent process. Their Credit Builder loan offers powerful, long-term benefits. Serious about improving your credit? Check out the links below to get started with CreditStrong today.